Bree. Bree. Where is she? Bree's here. Bree.
Oh, hey, Jordan.
What's going on?
Oh, are we filming today?
Yeah, I said I'd be here at 10:30.
Oh, shoot. Well, alright, let's go.
What are you reading?
Cherry Bomb. A feminist cookbook. You'd love it.
Maybe I'll give it a read.
You should. Let's go.
Like dropping out of check, cause y'all don't go there. Go 50 on a bottleneck for the show, yeah. 200 at the door, take 394, yeah. Call it so rare, y'all came
Jordan showed up without telling me. Just kidding. We're doing Huevos Rancheros. It's a way to empty out your fridge. It's a very healthy breakfast or breakfast for supper. And it's May, so Mexican food is fresh, it's in season, there's ingredients that you just use. I am super hopped up on Dayquil, so this is gonna be fun. Ingredients below. Huevos Rancheros is a super adaptable dish, so you can switch in and out of the ingredients however you like. I'm using some things that are local and fresh, and then some imported things, like avocados, which cost as much as gas. Let's get dicing. First, I'm gonna pickle some things, just to play off of that richness of our beans and our egg and our cheese. So I'm gonna do some pickled cabbage and a pickled red onion. Really simple, really easy. All you need is some vinegar and some sugar. For that, you're adding your vinegar. I'm using a Noble handcrafted Barrow's heirloom lemon matured white wine vinegar. Or you can just use white wine vinegar. You don't want to just use white vinegar because it's going to be way too harsh. This adds a bit of sweetness, okay? A little bit of that. You can add whatever type of sugar you like. I'm just going to use some white. Good, give it a stir. Every so often give it a stir so everything's getting incorporated. And you're just going to set this aside. Okay. Next up, we're gonna do a quick little bean. Now you can buy refried beans in a can, but what fun is that? Also, the sodium content is probably through the roof. That was a little interactive feature there. Okay, so we've got some black beans. We've got, what else are we gonna put in here? I think I'm gonna put some red onion. I'm also gonna put a bit of jalapeno, garlic, and then we're gonna put some stock in there as well. So let's give this a little rough dice, and then we'll get them going on the stove. This is my mom. She gave me my love of cooking and life. Right?
Right. You know more than I do, though.
No.
Yes.
She's too kind. Got a little bit of olive oil, putting our onions, jalapenos, followed by our garlic, our cinnamon, oregano, and some other spices that will be listed below. We're gonna put a little teensy bit of cocoa powder. It's gonna give it a gorgeous color, but it's also gonna keep that flavor nice and rich with those beans. Don't be scared of it. You want it to burn a little. It's gonna add flavor. Half a cup of stock or up to a cup. Deglaze your pan. Turn the heat up. Add your beans. Okay, for the protein, a lot of times chorizo is used. I didn't have any chorizo and I had leftover empanada filling. A little less now. This is ground beef with some mashed potatoes and the spices that we've been talking about. I'm gonna heat this up with some tomato sauce, and that's gonna be our base. Ooh, we're cooking now. Okay. We're putting our chorizo, or in this case our filling, into this bubbling away sauce. So now, while everything's kind of cooking away, our eggs are frying, all of that, we're just creating some little bits to go on top, give it a bite. Radishes, peppers, tomatoes. Okay, we're gonna put this all together. We've got our fried eggs. I'm leaving my beans whole. What you can do if you want it more of that refried beans, just give it a smush with potato masher. I'm gonna leave them. So we're gonna start with our tortilla, just make a nice little base. I'm gonna go in with my meat blend here, my meat potatoes. So I'm a meat and potato girl. Kind of has like a harissa look to it, which is cool. Gonna taste a bit different because we're not doing Persian food today. Okay, beans, bits, hearty food. Okay, now let's top with our little fried eggies. I might just do one actually. All for the Insta. Okay, let's get our pickles. Pickled veg, some cabbage and some onion. Just throw it around, make it look pretty. We eat with our eyes, but we also eat with our mouths, so don't worry too much about it.
Look good, taste good.
How did you know my slogan for my life? Cooked them down. Just want to find another little guy. Again, you can do this however you so want to. It's really just a shit show. Let's get some of these. Our chopped. Woohoo! I'm just live your life. Live your life. Like that. Okay, cheese. I'm using feta because it's more accessible. If you can find queso fresco, go for it. Very similar, both are briny. Adds a nice flavor contrast. Oh, the egg popped open, nice. Okay, some cilantro. Good. Little lime zest. Oh, that's some. Limes are always so, you never know what you're getting.
This is true.
And then some radishes just to kind of, if you need some more pink, which, I mean, you should always have more pink. We're done. Huevos Rancheros. Pretty simple and very good. I don't even know where to start with this. This is like pretty all right. This is the one thing with Huevos Rancheros. It's like, it's so pretty at first and then it's just gonna become,
Yes.
yeah, more of the world over here. Some more egg on there. No. It's like comfort food at its finest. You're actually getting like such nutrition out of this, but you feel like you're being bad because it's so like that potato and beef mixture. I really like that compared to just meat because it feels almost like something from Medina Cafe in Vancouver that I love so much. This is great. Not even just for breakfast, but any time of the day. I'm Table 49. We'll see you next week. Enjoy this Huevos Rancheros.